woodpecker right there, pecking on that branch. I'm not sure what he's doing, or she, or it is doing to the branch. But I was sitting outside enjoying the shade, and I heard this noise, and I'm like, why am I always hearing stuff in the woods? And he flew away, or it flew away. No, it went to the other branch right there. And I just stopped to see what was going on, and it was a woodpecker just pecking on the woods, or the branches. The branches can't give it a home, so I don't know what it's doing. But this is the beauty of my backyard. So, yeah. Yeah, the beauty of my backyard. It moved somewhere, I don't know where it went to. I don't think it's still there on that branch right there, though. These are some of the things I'm going to miss about my backyard when I move. Just the beauty of nature in itself, and just how all of the animals come together to create the ecosystem that has been created back here, deep inside those woods. I would love to go out there, but ticks, I am not a big fan of ticks. My daughter went camping and she had 2 baby ticks on her. So, yeah, and now she's dealing with all of these hives. She's just breaking out in hives at certain times of the day, and we're not sure where they're coming from. So I won't be out there. I'll wait until it gets cold like I did last year, and then I'll probably go out there. But yeah, you can probably hear the hawk. No, that's a crow. In the background. So, yeah. Alright, that's it. I didn't want too much of anything. Just wanted to show y'all that there was a woodpecker in the backyard pecking at a branch. I mean, the branch is wood. Oh, and this right here is a black walnut tree. So all up there, that's the black walnut tree. I don't bother. Ah! Jesus! Ah! Oh God, I think I just got stung. What the freak? Ah! What the heck? What the heck? What the heck? Something just stung me. Oh God. Where is it? Right there. Y'all see it? Ah! Oh my God, it hurts so bad. I gotta go get this out. What was that? Ah! Oh, it hurts. Okay, I gotta go. There it is. Oh my gosh, it hurts so bad, y'all. But I just came in the house and stripped because I knew it had to still be there. But that's what stung me. What the heck? Really? Oh my gosh. Oh, it hurts, y'all. This hurts so bad. What the freak? Look at my skin. It's turning red. Pay no mind to my stretch marks. I don't care. Oh my gosh. Oh, that hurts. That hurts. Oh darn, I got my gospel music playing in the background. Prayerfully I won't get copywritten. What the heck? I'm going to take some Benadryl also. Dang it. Like, how did it even get in my... Oh, you know what? I had on a dress. and I have these leggings on, so I didn't feel it when it flew up the dress, like the wasp flew up my dress, y'all. Oh my gosh. Okay, I gotta go. This hurts so bad. Okay, and now the body's antihistamine is starting to kick in. So I'm gonna have to take some Benadryl. This is not good. Just minding my business, and this comes up under my dress and stings me. Like, how did you even? Jeez.
You just need to like leave that on there like that.
She gave me a Ninja Turtle band-aid. All right. Wow, y'all, this stings.
There's alcohol and lidocaine in there.
Oh, so the lidocaine is gonna stop it from hurting.
Yeah, that might be the other reason it stinks.
Oh.
There's benzoclonium chloride.
What'd he say? No. This don't make no sense, y'all. This thing stung me for no reason, just because it flew under my dress. The heck? I'm at home taking a break from work, and it's still moving. Like, y'all saw me smash it, and it's still moving. That's not me shaking it, it's shaking itself. Let me just go on and put it out of its misery. I won't do that on screen. Although I already did smash it with my Converse on screen. Dang it. I can't say no animals were harmed in the filming of this video. Well, it weren't. This is a bug. Bugs are not animals. It's an insect that attacked me, so I was defending myself.